The annual incomes in thousands of dollars of random sample of N Australians is taken. The sample standard deviation is 10.98. A 99% confidence interval I1 based on this sample is from 90 to 94. That means the width is 4 and therefore E is equal to 2. We want to calculate the value of the sample size N, and we have an E activity for that. So let's get the calculator and let's go to our E activities, and Z score for confidence interval for mean, we want the Z score for the confidence interval. And the confidence interval is going to be 0.99, and solving for Z, and then we've got that Z value, and so we can make a note of that. Z99 is 2.5758, but I'm going to use the whole thing on the display. We noted that E was 2. We know that sigma is 10.98, and therefore we can use the formula, sample N for Ci, N is equal to Z sigma over E squared. Substitute in our things. We're finding N. So we've got the Z score in there. The sigma is 10.98 and E was equal to 2. And we'll solve and we get 199.976. And it's a situation where we always round up. So we'd say N is equal to 200. Somehow the mark scheme gives 201. I'm sure we'd get the marks for N equals 200. I think it's because they used a more rounded figure than we did. So let's move on. Another random sample of size N is taken and 99% confidence interval I2 is calculated. State two aspects in which the intervals I1 and I2 may be different. So the sample means could be different, and that would give the I1 and I2 have a different midpoint. And they could have different widths. Due to variation in standard deviation. Because not all of our samples are going to have the same standard deviation. A third random sample of size 50 is taken and a 99% confidence interval I3 is calculated. James suggests that since interval I3 is the widest, it is more likely to contain the population mean, Australian income, mu. Is he correct? Justify your answer. Simple answer here is that no, he's not correct. That's not going to get us all of the 2 marks though. It is still a 99% confidence interval. So it has the same chance of containing the true mean.